pumps and racks for diverting floating debris, slices for passing the debris and sediments, and valve for controlling the flow of water to the turbines. The flow of water into and through head works should be as smooth as possible to avoid the head loss and cavitation. For this purpose, it is necessary to avoid sharp corners and abrupt contraction या enlargement. Surge tank. The open conduits when leading the water to the turbine requires no protection. However, when closed conduits are used, protection because becomes necessary to limit the abnormal press in the conduit. For this reason, closed conduits are always provided with a surge tank. A surge tank is a smaller reservoir or tank open the top in which water level rise or fall the reduce of pairs pressures swings in the conduit. A surge tank is located beginning of the conduit. When the turbine is running at a steady load, there are no surge into flow of water through the conduit is just sufficient to meet the turbine requirements. However, when the load on the turbine decreases, the governor closes the gates of turbine, reducing water supply to the turbine. The excessive water at the lower end of the conduit rushes back to the surge tank and increases its water level. Thus, the conduit is prevented from the bursting. On the other hand, when load on the turbine increase, additional water is drawn from the surge tank to meet the increased load requirement. Hence, a surge tank overcome the abnormal pressure in the conduit when the load on the turbine falls and acts reservoir during increase of the load on the turbine. Penstock. Penstock are open या closed conduit which carry water to the turbines. They are generally made reinforced concrete या steel. The thickness of penstock increase with the head of working pressure. Various devices such as automatic butterfly valve, air valve or surge tank are provided for the protection of penstock. Automatic butterfly valve shuts of water flow through the penstock promptly of its ruptures. Air valve maintains the air pressure inside the penstock equal to the outside atmospheric pressure. When water run out of penstock faster than it enter, a vacuum is created which may cause the penstock to collapse. Under such situations, air valve opens and admits air the penstock to maintain inside air pressure equal to the outside air pressure. A typical penstock protective device in picture 3. Tail race. The tail race is the channel which carries water known as tail water away from the powerhouse after it has passed through the turbine. It may be the natural stream channel or especially excavated channel entering the natural stream at the some points downstream from the powerhouse. The water surface in the tail race is known as tail race level or simply the tail race. Surge tank from a head works, air valve, automatic butterfly valve, penstock, various penstock protection device. ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब जो होता है इन द केस ऑफ रिएक्शन टर्बाइन there is pressure difference existing between water in the turbine and atmosphere. Therefore, this type of turbine must be completely enclosed. Accordingly, it is necessary to connect the turbine outlet by means of pipe या passes or gradually increase across a sectional area of the tail race level. A draft tube has two important purposes to serve the permits negative या section head to established at the runner easiest, thus making it possible to install the turbine above the tail race level without loss of head. It converts a large portion of the velocity energy reject from the runner into useful pressure head. It acts a recuperator pressure energy. Water turbine are used to convert the energy of falling water into mechanical energy. The principal types of water turbines are impulse turbines. इम्पल्स टर्बाइंस, उसके बाद आता है रिएक्शन टर्बाइंस। इम्पल्स टर्बाइंस सच द टर्बाइंस आर यूज्ड फॉर हाई हेड in an impulse turbine their entire pressure of water is converted into kinetic energy in a nozzle and the velocity of jet drives the wheel. A Pelton wheel has a picture fold. It consists of well fitted with elliptical buckets along its periphery. The force of water jet striking the bucket on the wheel drives the turbine. The quantity of water jet falling on the turbine is controlled by means of needle or spear placed in the tip of nozzle. The movement of the needle is controlled by the governor. If the load on the turbine decreases, the governor pushes the needle into the nozzle, they are reducing the quantity of water sticking the bucket. Reverse action takes place if the load on the turbine increase. Reaction turbine, the reaction turbine are used for low and medium heads. In reaction turbine, water enter the runner party with pressure, energy, and the party with velocity head. The important types of reaction turbines are: this is the Pelton wheels, operating head, nozzles. This is the nozzle maximum tail water level, and Pelton wheels. The Francis turbines, Francis turbines, or Kaplan turbines. A Francis turbine is used for low to medium heads. It consists of outer rings, stationary guide blades for to the turbine casing and inner rings of rotating blades forming the runner. The guides blades control the flow water to turbine. Water flow radically inwards and change to a downwards direction while passing there the runner. As the water passes over the rotating blades of the runner, both pressure and velocity of water reduce. This causes a reaction force which drive turbine. A Kalpan turbine is used for low head and large quantity of water. It is similar to Francis turbine except that the runner of Kalpan turbine receives water exhausting water radically inwards through regulating gates all round site. A changing direction in the runner to actual flow causes a reaction force which drives the turbine. Electrical equipment. The electrical equipment of hydroelectric power include alternator, transformer, circuit breaker, and switching and protective device. Types of hydroelectric plant. There are three types, different methods of classification the electric plants. The classification may be based on quantity of water available, uh, of available head, nature hay of load. Classification of electric plants according to quantity of water available. According to the classification, the plant may be divided into run-off plant without pondage, run-off river plants with pondage rivers, reservoir plants, run-off river plants without pondage. As the name indicates, the type of plant does not store water. The plant uses water at its core. The plant can use water only as and when available. Run of river plants with pondage. Usefulness of a run of river plant increased by pondage. The pondage permit storage of water during the off peak periods and use of this water during the peak periods. Reservoir plants. Water is storage behind the dam and is available to the plant with control as required. Such a plant has a better capacity and they can be used efficiently throughout the year. Classification of hydroelectric plant according to available head. Hydroelectric plant may be classified into high head, medium head, and low head plants. A plant may be classified as high head of operating on head above 300 meters. Low head plant work under head below 330 meters. Medium head plants are those lying between into the above two classes. In case of high head plants, water in due to rains or melting of snow, it storage at high elevation. At low head plant storage water by the construction of dam across river and the power plant installed near the base of the dam of the down stream side. The medium head plant is similar to the low head plant. but work on head of out 30 to 300 meters. Classification of hydroelectric power plant according to nature of load. Hydroelectric plant may be classified into base load, peak load, a pumped storage plant to storage plant for peak load. Visiting of electrical substation. Introduction. A industrial visit is a very important step to tap actual working environments. During a practical exercise, practicing in the lab of workshop never provides actual working condition because it is a part of structured training planned to complete within a stipulated times and assessment at later stage. Initial preparatory work. Initial preparatory work यानी कि the trains the trainees should be in a position to interact well at the actual site. Every industry technical expert execute the work on team and produce better result. The technical या operator concert will be able to give a clear idea of working या procedures particular work, and you have to extract it fully. To understand the whole process from the concert, technician and operator, you must have sound knowledge of that particular object या process. You should prepare well to meet the challenge whenever you go industrial visit in factory या workplace. Preparation area and its importance. If the process is complicated या multi-level procedures involved, in that case training should be made small batches into interact to involve the whole process. In such case, each batch should be formed in advance and decided the section part to be interact finally all the batches together to make the end result. Supporting materials. When the visit at generating station have must collect the flowing installed capacity of the plant, maximum load demand, uh, load factor, distance of the nearest substation, total number of alternator installed, and its working condition. Details of the fuel used: coal, nuclear, its availability, quality, etc., and the daily expenditures for fuel. Solution to meet extra fuel in case of environmental emergency. Location map the plant and its surroundings. Location maps of the plant and its surrounding gather maximum information regarding generation and distribution techniques other than guided or studied. Maximum hazards area, PPE facility, emergency route in case of emergency. डूज या डोंट्स. डूज क्या करना चाहिए यानी कि वी यूनिफॉर्म विथ नेम बैगेज. Ensure the protective gadgets are available, otherwise carry them. Following the safety norms imposed in the particular area, listen the instruction carefully. Carry material to record your finding and assessments to make them and their following strict disciplines and punctuality. Obey all the instruction and rules. Walk in the prescribed area only. Don'ts नहीं करें. Avoid wearing loose clothes and ornaments. No the carry any bag or attachment. Do not cross over any prohibited area. Do not operate, touch या play with any part या machine. Do not operate, touch या play with any part of machine your pass over. Do not sit या learn over any machine या place you come across. Do not shout या make any unusual noise when the visit in progress या inside the factory. Do not involve any kind of horseplay at the time visiting various section area. Do not avoid or neglect any instruction passed on your at any time. Do not indulge any horses play. Encourage other to do. The person responsible for leading the visit has to arrange the program well advance and inform all concerned. Taking a permission to visit and arrange the transportation to reach in time. Arrangement may also be done. The carry provide hospitality is also the responsibility of the person concerned. Pictures 1 show a typical single lines layout diagram of transmission and distribution substation. Pictures 1 given below x10 kilovolts incoming lines यानी कि इनकमिंग लाइन्स 110 किलोवोल्ट्स डबल बस एंड 2000 मेगा वोल्ट्स 110 11 किलो डेल्टा स्टार ट्रांसफार्मर 100 किलोवोल्ट आउटगोइंग लाइन्स 66 किलो डबल बस 11 किलो बस and 11 kilo outgoing lines 2 megavolts 11 kilo 415 volts स्टार ट्रांसफार्मर 415 वोल्ट बस बार सिंगल लाइन डायग्राम